Thank you for bothering to watch this. I hope that I'm able to make some people feel better. And they're not that bad in this one, and there are some people who are even worse in doing this painting stuff or this body work. Hope that makes you feel better. If looking someone felt so badly as I have, well, yeah. I'm happy if that is the result, that someone feels better because of my utter failures. What I'm trying to do is clean up the body a bit. So now I'm trying to clean that off before I put the stickers. So I was using the Tamiya paint remover, trying to remove some of the garbage. As I noticed that like acetone is way too strong for this Lexan, it will ruin it. I used some chemical for cleaning up screens of displays, that was okay. Spray for cleaning electronics, which vaporizes away immediately, was okay for at least small parts of removing fingerprints and so on. When I'm really prepared to do something, accurately, I prepare everything ready, tools, everything, and then always something fails. It's called Murphy's Law, whatever. If something goes wrong, if there's a chance that something go wrong, it will go wrong. And that's very often my case. Then I spend a lot of time in trying to fix up what I failed. At least the fact that this didn't end up so perfect that I don't feel like I have to keep it on the shelf. That I can just drive and bash this body around as much as I want and get a better one for just for display if I find a very well made one. No point of delaying this whole thing. So like with the masking tapes, it seems like put them in the numerical order. So yeah, here it goes. Number one. So number one is the windshield. This one. I think number one, windshield, according to the manual. And I will stick this in place. This is scary because in the driver, when it was long ones like this, it's so easy to tear them apart. Okay, I was hopeful that the first one was nice. Oh, it's going to go much easier. Yeah, here it goes. Okay, first getting this lifted from here. Getting the other end lifted from here. Alright, so this one is supposed to be, yeah, here it goes. It starts to stick to everywhere. Why can't you put it into smaller pieces? Surely you can design that much. Problem is as it's sticking to your fingers constantly. Didn't go well. Yeah, this is the problem. You can witness it like this. Oh, I got it still intact, but it's not going to work out the second time. How do you keep this that it stays straight in? Because you need to have alignment along the window, along the center line of this thing, which is really rather... Hold on, I'll put this into my mouth. Okay, I used my mouth to hold this end, so you need 3 hands. One here, 2 hands here, and one here. It's like you need to be an octopus to do this. Now though, I'm not sure how well this will stick to it being in my mouth. And did it goes enter? Not perfectly. Yeah, is it going here? These are somewhat flexible, these stickers or whatever you call this, so that you can correct them a bit, but they're really unforgiving. Okay, so these are in place. The Turbo Optima says there. Goes kind of there. And now it's the funny part. Okay. Whatever happens. Okay, this one went a bit over. Don't know if it's supposed to be. I have no idea if it's going to stick well there or not. Doesn't seem to be. Squeeze it a bit. And here, then the other side, which is again full of fingerprints. This is the second one. When you do all of this stuff here, stickers, and you end up having to touch the body elsewhere. And naturally, unless you do this with your gloves on, maybe one should do this with using gloves. I have cotton gloves which I use for other work where I don't want to have fingerprints constantly on the object. And maybe it would be good for this. Whew. I'm going to be aging 10 years during this sticker placing. 10 years lost in putting the masks in place, and 10 years when I'm doing this one. Okay, now, where are we then? When I was younger, I had a very steady and accurate hands. Like when there was when in electronics, surface mount components came available instead of just ones with fit, which were really tiny, the first ones. I was able to solder them by hand with the old tools which were not designed for them without any problem. But that was a long time ago. Yeah, that's almost 30 years ago. So not there anymore. Oh, this one in place, using this one to not my nails, just a round kind of blunt edge. So using this round edge of the tip of this one, I just push this in place. Doesn't seem to break the stickers. That part we are done. Placing it in, putting it in place, sticking it with one finger, and then somehow, okay, at least it didn't cover this hole, antenna hole completely. So you need basically 3 hands for all of these stickers to get them perfectly done. I wonder if it's possible that if I do this as a hobby long enough, often enough, that part of the learning curve is that I will grow a third hand. Maybe. Do all RC hobbies have model makers have 3 hands? 4-wheel drive, powered by Le Mans. This is true because I did get the Le Mans-esque, the frequency converter, however you call it, and the Le Mans motor, which are recommended by Kyosho for this product. I understand they are not easiest to get, but yeah, that's at least true. Even if we're not driving Grand Prix or Grand Prix. Is it a Granny Prix? It's like old grandmother's competition, maybe. So, stickers full of fingerprints, not all perfect, definitely not straight. I still have one more sticker to put, but not into the body. As you can see, Kyosho provides, there's a lot more stickers here. I was thinking of giving this to maybe to my daughter. She can glue them somewhere. There's, I think, stickers for motor, More option house stuff. On, off. I don't know what that's for. More stickers. Stickers for, again, that's the name of the motor I had, the 240S. 4-wheel drive powered. Or maybe these are, some of these are, maybe if the stickers leave, you can put something else there. Maybe these are for different color schemes, because it's like black, white on black, or white text, so on. So there's all kinds of stuff. The one sticker to be put is into this one. So the sticker. I was looking, some people, at least the original ones, when you have these side guards, they have stickers somewhere here placed, or somewhere where it says Kyosho or something. I actually started to wonder, because where do I fit and which? It's golden, so it should be black. What could I put there? It says Kyosho, that could be. That would fit. Does it fit there? Okay, I will give this a try. Holding it a bit. Okay, now it says Kyosho there. That's power. The same on the other side. So there's Kyosho. So now it says Kyosho there too, which is power. It means it's going to go faster. I will put some duct tape or something to protect this underside here when I go outside. What you see here is I bought these online. These nice golden colored rims, I believe they're called. I don't know how would it look with these. Actually quite nice. What I plan to do is buy some tires which look more like the ones in 1980s. They had bigger stubs. They didn't have small stubs like this here. They had much bigger stubs. Okay, let's squash this somehow put together. Okay, let's put this here. Oh, I guess like this. Let's squash this here. I don't know if there's which way around you're supposed to put these pins in. I love the way it looks. Now let's make some noise with it. Okay, my futaba. For BM, beep beep. Not everything is calibrated or the end stops perfectly adjusted, but yeah. There's a button underneath there for the ESC or whatever. Start it up. There's a switch there. Okay. Beep beep. Let's say it turns. This is servo. Turning. Needs some adjustments still. Now let's reverse. Reverse nicely and forward. Some proper acceleration, I have to say. Woo. And there's the motor doing its work. This is the dream car I couldn't have. Now I have it with all the accessories which I wanted and put together, and it looks amazing. And I want to go out to drive with it when it will be summer. Now I can't, I have half a meter of snow outside. So waiting for summer to come, and sad to say, this is the end of this project. On one hand, it's not, I will still replace the wheel rims, the golden ones here, get the more knobbly tires, and I will definitely make videos out of this in the summer when I will be first time driving it here at my cottage, because here I can make a proper track for this. So waiting for the summer. I think next videos will be about my other projects coming on. Thank you for watching.